All right, guys, one more time. I did this live on my live stream. I'm going live every day. I'm trying to do it different times just to catch people before they go do their jobs afterwards. But this is mostly for the commercial guys. Some of you DIYers want to see the strongest material that there is. I plan on making more professional videos and more DIY videos. Keep in mind, pros, if a customer is a DIY customer, they were never your customer. So anyways, without further ado, I just want to bash this shower real quick. I did this in a reel that I just posted, and I also did it on my live stream. I'll make any content that you guys want to see, but basically I took the shower wand, I rolled this shower in my house about a month ago. I did it about 2 years ago. This is my kid's shower, and as you can see, roll on. This is one of the first ones I did. To demo it, we did it at home, and then we released the roll-on product soon thereafter. So now we have the Pro line for Bathtub guys, customers, and pros that are part of our Bathtub guys network. And then, of course, we have our DIY kits that are on Amazon. But this is how strong the material is. I have no worries doing this in my own house. I did this 5 times today already, and it left no marks. I can hit that 1,000 times. I've already hit it. I've probably already hit it about 40 times in the last 15 minutes on my live stream. I did it 6 times. Every time somebody came into the live stream, I did it. And that's on the sidewall. That's the softest wall, softest spot on a refinished tub. So, yeah, I mean, this is as strong as it gets, guys. And it has zero smell. You can use this in a nursing home. You can use this in an apartment complex. You can use this in a hotel. You can spray it on. You can roll it on. Join our network. Be part of our team. If you have your own tubs and you do them yourself, then go ahead and go on Amazon and buy our material. Go to our website. But anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. I plan on doing the YouTube series. Every time we add a new customer, I plan on doing a lot more content on here. And I also plan on doing a bunch of live videos once a day, Monday to Friday, to answer questions, to take suggestions, and I'll do whatever you guys want me to do to these tubs and showers. The rest of the week I plan on doing I plan on fixing one that has a huge hole in it. I'm going to fix it. I'll show the whole repair, and then I think I'm going to roll half of it and spray half of it. But if you want my team members to do jobs, anything you guys can think of, I'm going to keep trying to work on it and building this up to help everybody in the bathtub refinishing community and help you DIYers. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up button. Share this with anybody you think will benefit from it. And thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.